Welcome back everyone to Generait. Today we're looking at generating videos on our platform. So apart from everything else you can do on our platform, you can now make some decent videos. And I know up till now the video quality was rubbish. Today we've gone up about 10 levels in video generations, and it's very, very cheap. So you see the background behind me. This is not a real background. This is just something I just generated right now, as I'll show you right here on our platform. We just created this video right now on generait.net. So I used a text to video generation, and I created that background. So let's go and see the kind of things you can generate. So really you're not limited to any specific type of generation. So let me just show you how, for example, I made this tiny dog, cute little baby dog, which is inside of somebody's hand, and then we'll see how we did this. So the way you do it is you write a prompt in here, and then it gives you 4 options for which one you want to use to create the video. So whichever one you choose, the video will be made up from that. So for example, I chose this one just because it looked the cutest and it looked like it was just realistic, and you could see the entire body as well. Then once you click it, it asks you what should happen in the video. So you could use the same prompt as the one that you used for the creation of the image, and then that could work for you. But if not, you can click on this button, enhance image prompt. The AI will look at your image and then give you a description of what should happen in this video to make it do something good. If you want, for example, the dog should jump, and then you click on enhance image prompt, the prompt will be based on what you've written here. It just does a much better job in describing the detail of the video so that the video will be better and more suitable for your needs. So as you can see, this is a playful golden retriever is situation. Okay, so this isn't working so well because it's written a lush green park, and we don't want that. So let's just try that one more time. Give it a chance. Here we go. A petite toy-sized dog sits proudly on the soft, tender palm of a baby's hand. Fantastic. This is a bit better. Then you can choose the number of seconds you want this video to be. Every second of video is 1 credit. So if you just make a 3-second video, that's only 3 seconds, about 3 credits, about the cost of an image. So if I click generate now, we can just regenerate this and see what happens. So here we go. This is our 3-second video, and you can see it's a little bit different than the first one. Let's move on to the next example. So this one we already saw. The prompt for this was a beautiful scene from inside a room with nice plants, and through the big door, I know I spelt this wrong, forgive me. Through the big door, you can see the beach outside on a beautiful sunny day. So here we have the results. So I picked one of them, and then I let the AI write the entire prompt for me. I chose 9 seconds, and then this is the video I got. This is actually different from the one that I used earlier. This one actually had the camera zoom in and move through into the scene. Let's move on to an example that we haven't done yet, so you can see exactly how this works. Create a realistic looking image of a tiny minuscule cat the size of a coin on a baby's hand is sitting on a baby's hand, and the baby can be seen in the background laughing. The baby is blurry. So you click create videos, and it creates the 4 options as I explained earlier, and then we'll pick one together. You can see this happening live. Now let me give you a quick disclaimer. This video generator is not bad, but it's not perfect. I have to warn you, you could get some crazy outputs using this. So be warned, it's at your own risk. So let's click use image prompt and click on enhance the image prompt, which basically saves us time on having to type anything. And it does a very good job because it knows what's in the image. As you can see, it knows what's in the image. Now we'll make a 3-second video, that's 3 credits. And we'll wait for that to come through. It takes around 5 seconds to 10 seconds to create these generations. Now that's faster than almost any AI video generator on the market right now. which is absolutely incredible. Let's give it a few more seconds. And remember, you must wait on this page while the video is being generated. Otherwise, it won't work and it doesn't save your information on our servers. All the information that you produce is yours privately. And by the way, it's uncensored, meaning there are no limits to what you can generate using this specific video generator. Okay, so it's ready. Let's see what it's managed to produce. So as you can see, the cat is moving ever so subtly, but the video quality is absolutely incredible, and that's definitely usable. To download the image, you can click this button here, and it will download, or you can click these three dots and click download over here. Let's move on to the next example, a minuscule elephant the size of a coin. And we'll do that together right now so you can see this working live so that you can decide if this kind of tool would be good to add to your collection. Now remember, to get to these tools, I'll show you in a sec. So here are the 4 elephants. I guess I'll take this one and then I'll use the image prompt and enhance the image prompt again. And then once that's starting to work, I'll show you how to get to this tool. I'm sure you already know. For those of you who've been around for long enough, know that to find any of our tools, you just click on the More Apps button at the top, and then you click on Video, which is at the bottom, and then you click on Text to Video, New, Text to Video Maker. That's the one, it's the yellow one, and that's how you can find it. So for those of you who don't know already, we are Generait.net, and we produce every type of AI tool you could probably think of. And that's why it's your all-in-one AI toolbox. So it's worth getting a free account, and you get 20 free credits to play around with all of these apps when you sign up here. So let's go see the elephant and see if it worked. So there you go, an elephant on a hand, and it's moving ever so subtly and nicely. And that's really amazing, to be perfectly honest with you. That's really, really well done. Let's move on to the next example. A rabbit. It's the same idea, but this time we're doing a rabbit. I mean, if you want more examples, I guess the only way you can find is to just really give it a try yourself. The link's in the description below. Let's try this one, and then we'll finish with this. So I guess the hands are a bit warped here, but we'll choose that anyway. We'll use the image prompt. We'll enhance it, and then click Generate Video. Let's give it a few seconds. Okay, so I'll skip ahead so you don't have to wait. It takes around 10 seconds though. Okay, so here's the video. Now, as you can see, there's a bit of some warping going on at the end where the rabbit's face kind of gets warped. The usable part of this video are only the first 2 seconds. Looks very good in 3D. The blurry background looks amazing. But other than that, that concludes this video. So remember, this is not a real background, even though you could use this for your video. I might make another video to show you how to achieve this in OBS Studio to make it look like you have some super luxurious office when really what you have is this. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel to never miss another episode. Bye for now.